Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel, Short and Sweet Chemistry, BL Das. I also want to welcome to the 9th class students for the chapter for the topic atomic structure, that is structure of the atom. Actually, it is very much well explained in 11th science chemistry, but since it is in 9th class also, that is why you will know a less amount or less value or less explanation of the structure of the atom. Now here we will see that part 2, the discovery of electron. In part 1 I already explained that is what is meant by matter, element, compound, atom, molecule, and also why you can say the atom consists of charged particles. Before that, I also explained Dalton's atomic theory, where it says that atom is not divisible. But after that, by so many experiments, it is proved that atom is divisible. And you know, electricity is conducted by so many elements, so many substance, compounds, and here it proves that atom, here it consists of charged particles. Similarly, combing dry hair also attracts small piece of paper, which also indicates that atom consists of charged particles. Then what question is, what are the charged particles? So many experiment was going on. In the meantime, one experiment that is called charge discharge tube experiment, that is called discharge tube experiment. In this video, that is part 2, I will explain discovery of electron. Actually, discovery of electron, that experiment is done, that is called discharge tube experiment. Now, the discovery of electron, that is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Who the scientist? Who this one? J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Then how? In which experiment? That is called discharge tube experiment. Now see, this is discharge tube experiment. You can check here. High voltage is passed and low pressure is low, and here it is anode, that is positive charge, it is cathode, that is negative charge, and the pressure is low, voltage is high. When you pass high voltage, low pressure, and here in the discharge tube, from this cathode, what is cathode? The negative electrode. And what is anode? Positive electrode. So after passing high voltage and low pressure, here some rays are coming from this cathode. Some rays are coming which is invisible. The rays are coming from cathode towards anode, and that is why the name of these rays are cathode rays. So electricity at high voltage is passed through the gas, and at low pressure, then what happened? The invisible ray beam is passed from cathode to anode, and that is called cathode rays, and later it is called electrons. Now what are the main important properties of cathode rays, or you can say electron? Now here properties of cathode rays, that is electron. Now if you say cathode rays electron, now they are represented by E to the power minus. Minus mean negative charge, E mean electron, and they are negative charge particle. Now if I will write Cl minus, that means here this is negative charge. So the electrons are negative charge particle. Mass negligible. Here the mass is negligible, very small. The value you should remember 9.109 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So here mass is negligible. If you compare to hydrogen atom, you know hydrogen atom is the first element in the periodic table. It is the smallest in size in the periodic table. So here mass is 1 by 1840 times the mass of hydrogen. So see how much small in your mass. Here it is or you can say 1 by 1840 times the mass of hydrogen. So it is very small in mass. Now this charge on the electron, I told charge is -1, and what is in coulomb? Electricity charge. Now 1.602 10 to the power -19. You should remember two values. One is what is mass of the electron, 9.109 10 to the power -31. What is the charge on the electron? 1.602 10 to the power -19 coulomb. And mass of hydrogen, how can you express? When I told you will compare with the mass of the hydrogen. So how can you express the mass of the hydrogen? The mass of hydrogen is 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. So how it will compare? Atomic mass unit. So you should remember what are the atomic mass of all the most important elements in the periodic table. So atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, or you can say gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. That is why you can say how much small in mass, 1 by 1840 times the mass of the hydrogen. So I hope it is clear. You will take discharge tube, and here you will take discharge tube where a high voltage electricity pass, and with a low pressure from cathode, a beam of invisible ray coming from cathode to anode. So it is called cathode rays. The properties of cathode rays, that is represented as electron E minus, and charge is minus, or you can write here not Cl minus because it has other meaning. Only charge particle minus you write. And then mass negligible, that is 9.109 10 to the minus 31 kg. And mass also, when you compare to hydrogen atom, the mass is 1 by 1840 times that is mass of the hydrogen atom. 1 by 18, not 1840, it is 1 by 1840 times. It is 1 by 1840 times the mass of hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen, if you divide by the 1840, what is the value come? That is the mass of the electron. Then charge on the electron, that is 1.602 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, and mass of hydrogen is expressed as AMU. And in coming video I will explain discovery of proton and discovery of neutron, and this discovery of electron, proton and neutron, that will very much well explain in 11th science chemistry, when you will go to 11th science, and then you feel very much interesting. And I hope it is clear to you, and please subscribe, like and share my channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. And I hope you hear no doubt, and thanking you.